All right, so that's the basic orientation. Everything and anything can be calibrated on a level of 1 to 1,000. Now, when we're calibrating something, what we are doing is getting its essence, not its appearance. Some people still don't get that. That what a thing looks like is not what it is. The book is not the cover. The map is not the territory. So how can we get to the essence of a thing? So when we do the muscle test, what we're asking for is the level of the essence. We already know what the appearance is, but what is the essence? And the muscle response that we get is ultra simple. There's no point in trying to complicate it. All you have to, if you really want to understand it, all you have to understand is quantum physics, quantum mechanics, and which I'll explain to you in a couple of sentences. In the infinite field of consciousness, which was the light of God shone forth. It's infinitely powerful. 1 cubic inch of infinite space is greater than the total mass of the entire universe. 1 cubic centimeter of space. Greater than the total mass of the entire universe. That's power. So, in an infinite timeless space, there is no beginning, there is no end. There is no here, there is no there. There's no now or then. Consequently, the field of consciousness is omniscient by virtue of being all that has ever been or can be. So, when we do essence, what happens is we collapse the wave function, see? In quantum mechanics, you have the Heisenberg principle. You go from the Schrödinger equations of the possible, time-dependent or time-independent, and then the wave function, which is really a mathematical formula, potentiates and you can collapse the wave function, meaning you go from energy to particle. It was discovered, of course, in trying to research the basic nature of light itself. It occurs in waves and particles. So the potential becomes an actual only if there is a reality. Only if there's a reality. So if I make a statement that has a reality to it, this affects the quantum potential and collapses the wave function, and the person goes strong. If I pose a question that is false, it has no corollary in reality, therefore it has no power, and it does not collapse the wave function, and her arm goes weak. So, truth makes the body go strong for reasons we've mentioned in previous lectures, and falsehood does not make the body go weak, it just does not make it go strong. So the answer is not yes or no. The answer is always yes or not yes. The quantum potential is a yes, collapses the wave function, your arm goes strong. So what we're asking is yes or not yes. Yes or not yes. Yes or not yes. To make it even better, you ask permission before you ask the question. We have permission to ask. Yeah. No, I'm not going to ask that. Bye. I already know the answer. All right. I wanted to review the basic concept. We used to mention that I learned it in a kinesiology class, but that brought us all kinds of static. So kinesiology is now an out word. Muscle test. Okay. You have to be very careful in today's world, as we will see. So, all right, we'll move on to the next.